Hi guys, it's Mary. I received an order from Crafter's Companion and I wanted to share with you what I got because it has taken me 3 weeks to get this order and I'm a platinum member. I don't get it. The last order I did, it was over the amount that's supposed to be. I got it. It shipped out 2 days after I ordered it and I got it 3 days later in California. This one took 21 days. I don't get it. I mean, I truly thought that this was lost. So I was just so excited, and everything that I ordered was here. Everything. So that in itself is amazing. So I wanted to come on and do a quick video and share with you everything that I got at the time was on sale. But I did notice like one of the bundles that I got is like $11 more than it was, and that's with the platinum discount. So I think I got it when it was birthday week or bonus points, or I don't know. It's like I said, I'm old. It's been so long, I don't even remember. But so I ended up getting the luxury mirror card. They had two. They had I think it was green and red and blue, and then they had the silver and gold. Now the crazy thing is like, I think one of these was like, I want to say on HSN it was like $30 for one. I truly thought it was for two. And then when I had put it in my basket at the time, and then when I saw it, it was like, wait a minute, I'm not paying $30 for one pad of paper. And it's not paper, and it's only 18 pieces. And I paid $13.56 through Crafter's Companion. And so, I mean, it's beautiful, but it's mirror card, but it's, I think it's even, I mean, I've got mirror card, and I hope that this isn't blinding you. It is thick. I mean, it is really thick. So, I mean, technically you could use it for boxes. And so it's got, the problem is it's got only one sheet of each pattern, but then it has each pattern in gold, and then it has each pattern in silver. So you'd have to use like maybe a plain mirror card for the bottom of a box, and then use this for the top, because it really is beautiful. Very Christmas. I almost got the other one too, but it was just so bright, and I just knew that I wouldn't do anything with it. This was just much more subtle and elegant. So, look how pretty that is. And then, like I said, it repeats in the silver. Same patterns, but in silver. So, so I got that. Oh, look, it shows you what they are. So, doesn't say the pound, but it's thick. And then I got the snow. Now, I bought the snow, and like I said, it's taken 3 weeks. And I had bought the snow at HSN. I didn't realize how big 100 grams is of snow. I mean, I have small containers of like 350 grams of glitter, and they're very small. This thing is huge. Look at how big this is. I will be making stuff with snow for years, because now I have 2 of them. So it's probably blinding you. Let me see if I can put it up a little bit. Yeah. So 100 grams of snow is a lot. Just keep that in mind. But I suppose it's good because, I mean, not only Christmas, but there is winter trees. So it's not like it'll go to waste or spoil. So then I bought, they had the Gnome Set. And as much as I love gnomes, there just wasn't enough metal dies in the set for me to go ahead and buy. And I already had metal, I already had a set of Christmas gnomes, stamps and dies from Close to My Heart last year. So I just ended up getting a couple of pieces of the gnomes. And so I got the Gnome Home, and which is a die, and it has the stencil, which a lot of people are doing layering stencils with their stamps, and I adore it. And I'm trying to get my hands on some because it looks, for one, beautiful, but it's so much easier than coloring it with, alcohol markers or aqua markers or whatever. And then I got the Christmas Town, which is a stamp set. But again, I mean, if you look at this, it's not Christmas, so I could use it with my other gnomes that I have. So I was trying to do something that we could go with both. And then I did get the gnome, the 8x8 vellum and acetate sheets, which I think are going to be pretty. And I mean, it's not gnome themed, so I can use it for anything. So they're so tight sometimes. Let's see what they look like. All right, so there's a little snow. Looks like there's 3 of each. So there's snow, there's snowflakes, and then snow and snowflakes in the acetate. So there's actually only 8. Is there only 8 in here? Oh, it says there's 12. So, oh yeah, 3, 6, 9, 12. God, I can't even do math. See what happens when you do stuff on Friday. So this ended up to be $7.96. So, I mean, it's pretty. And I can use it on a lot of different cards and stuff. So I'm okay with that. Now if I can only get it back in. All right, so I bought so much last year for Christmas, and then most of it I didn't even use, which is the story of my life, which I am trying to get better since I'm doing the cards for the senior group and stuff. But I did pick up the Christmas tree stamp collection because it was reasonable, and I think it's 8 stamps, and it was like $33. And each one stamps in the shape of a tree. This one says it's the most wonderful time of the year. This one is have yourself a merry little Christmas. This one says season's greetings. This one says 'twas the night before Christmas. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. May your days be merry and bright. Oh, by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas. I like that one. And then Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So I want to do a whole bunch of Christmas cards for the senior group, and I thought these are perfect. They're simple. Stamp them, you know, like it shows. They've got a matted, just simple a card, color card stock that they've stamped on, and then matted, and then attached to a card, and they're the A2 5.5 by 4 1/4. So I think this will be perfect. And they're cute. And then I can always emboss, you know, put a little bit of glossy highlights or something on them to take it up a little bit. Take it up a little, take it up a level. So then they had the balloon words on sale. And I didn't buy the balloon letters before, but they had the balloon words on sale, and they were inexpensive too. The whole collection was only $31 plus change, and it came with the big set, which has the banners and the balloon and the little balloon dog, champagne glasses, a present, a cupcake. So I thought that was cute. And then it has happy, and it has little stamps. So this one says happy new home, happy birthday, happy anniversary. I don't think I'd ever use the term happy new home, but that's just me. And the next one is love. And it says, I love, I lots you, so you can do lots of love. I love you lots. Another cute one. Congrats. And it stamps say, proud of you, well done, you did it. And I just love how they tied taking the string, the baker's twine, to make it look like a string on the balloons. Birthday. So it has birthday, happy wishes to you. Baby. Welcome new boy, girl. Friend. Special, you're my best. That's a cute one. I like that one. I'll be using that one a lot. Thanks. Thanks has many for your kindness. Thanks a bunch. You're the best. And then party. And party says, let's party. Invitation. Time to party. Party invitation. So everything's, you can just do everything, or you can use other stamps to go with it. So, I mean, that's pretty good. That's what, 8 different sayings, plus the banner, and the balloons, and the balloon dog. So there's a big long balloon, a heart balloon, a regular balloon, and then the balloon dog. It's so cute. And then it's got confetti, little fireworks, a star, along with everything else. So I thought that was pretty good. And so, of course, I had a discount. Yeah, I had a discount. So then, you know, you either end up having, the discount always takes you below. So then you end up either having to go ahead and pay the $12.95 for shipping, or find some obscure things to get you back to where you need to be so that you can get the free shipping. So, so I ended up picking this Sky's the Limit penny slider. I didn't get any of the penny sliders. I get the monthly subscriptions box, and so I had the penny slider from that. But this one was cute with the little trail, and I figured, you know, I mainly got it because of the trail, because you can use it for other things. So I got that. Then they had this border foil collection, confetti border, and then it came along with the floral border, which is just beautiful. So, and I haven't used the foil press in a long time, and I really need to get it out and use it, especially with Christmas coming up, because I do have a bunch of the Christmas foil dies. So, so that was it. I thought it was a pretty good haul. By the time it came, I had forgotten totally what I had ordered. So I had to pull out my receipt that I had printed when I ordered, because it was like I couldn't even tell if it was the right stuff or not. I kept thinking, why did I buy these balloons? I didn't buy these balloons, but I did. So anyway, so that's it. Thank you for watching and taking the time. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed and you want to, just hit that subscription box down below. If you've gotten anything recently from Crafter's Companion, let me know if you had an order that went astray and took for so long. I'm hoping my next order, which I haven't, I decided I wasn't ordering anything more until I got this order, because it makes it too hard to try to keep track of everything. So now that this order's in, and they're done with Christmas, because I will not buy any more Christmas. I have a huge, huge container from Michael's full of Christmas that I can't even, probably won't even be able to fit this stuff in. So, but let me know. So that's it. Until the next time, stay safe and well, and happy crafting. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.